Alright guys, so we stopped here at Walmart to get some McDonald's and, you know, some Walmart. So, we picked up the steering wheel, grabbed it for you. It's a nice looking steering wheel. There's no scratches, no marks on it. It looks brand new, like the guy never used it. It feels pretty sturdy from what I can tell. It came with the horn button and all the bolts and everything to bolt it on, so we're good to go there. It's just a little bit smaller than the original steering wheel, so I think it should work out pretty good and it'll look pretty good. And we'll see you when I get to putting it on the car.
Alright, so I'm really excited about this video. We finally got the steering wheel parts to put the steering wheel on the car. I had a cheap quick release that I had laying around that I never used, so I might try to put that on, I'm not sure. But we're going to pull the airbag out, pull the steering wheel off. I have some resistors that hopefully I can put in the wires to trick the airbag light from coming on, but I'm not sure if I have the right ones or not, so we're going to try to meter the airbags without them exploding. I don't think they should because there's no voltage going to them, but we're going to see what happens, and yeah, we're going to get into it.
Alright, so we had some camera difficulties. It might be in the bloopers, but we basically all I did was I took a T25 Torx screwdriver and took out one bolt in the back here. Then I moved up the steering wheel and pulled it out, and I took out one T25 towards the driver, and then the very back one is a T20, and then both the covers just pop apart. So that's all I did so far. Alright. Oh, and we also took the battery terminal off first so that we don't have any airbags exploding in our faces. Pull this back, and we got two little wires that go to the horn. Just pop those off, and then the airbag has, I don't know if we can get this on camera, has two little orange clips. I believe they pop up and then it unplugs. It just pops right out. We used a little screwdriver, gave it a little bit of a twist so they come right out. And that is the airbag removed and the horn. So now, inside here, I don't have the heated steering wheel, so there's only one plug. Oh, I think I just dropped my phone. Only one plug. Right there, there's just a little tab you push down on with the screwdriver, and then you pull it out. Alright, so we're gonna try to get this off here. Oh yeah, it worked. We used the wrong size. I think it's just like a 24 millimeter, but I'm not sure that we have one. So I had a 1-inch socket, and it fit loosely, but it worked. It wasn't super tight. So there's that pull. Save that for the other steering wheel. I believe it should pull off here. Alright, now all the horn wires are in this wiring harness, so we won't be able to take the we won't be able to add a horn unless we splice into the wiring harness going into here, wherever that may be. This back one here. in there good. Use an Allen key. I don't know what size Allen key this is. It just came with the quick release. Honestly, the only reason I'm adding it on is because it's blue. So we want this to this. Now turn this. Steering wheel should pop off. That works like it should. It does have a bit of play in that I'm not real happy with, but we'll leave it for now. See how it is. Probably gonna get pretty annoying. So, but it matches the car, so we'll leave it for now. And all we have to do is put the covers back on. This should be pretty easy. I don't know what's going to go on with the no buttons here because that's how you control everything on the screen. And I read something that people said they had a problem with the traction control for a while and eventually it fixed itself. So I don't know what's going on with that, but hopefully it'll figure itself out and we won't have any problems. I think it looks a little better. It's a little different. It's not crazy, a crazy steering wheel like I had on my other car. Was like all blue in here and it like came to points down at the bottom. But I like it. I'm not a big fan of the play in it, but we might take that out and just use the hub adapter without the quick release because I'll probably never take the steering wheel off anyway unless I buy another quick release and put it on my drift truck and then just use this steering wheel for both of them. But I don't see that happening with all this play in here, so yeah, so that's going to be the end of the video. I hope everybody enjoyed and can stay tuned for next time. I feel like I need more enjoyable content, so maybe we'll like get a video of doing burnouts or something someday, and we'll add to the end of this video or the next video or something. Do something a little more fun than just showing how to do stuff on cars. But anyway, that's pretty much it, and I hope you enjoyed. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, so I'm really excited about this video. I clap my hands every goddamn beginning of the video.